Ever wondered how to keep your project on budget and on track? In today's fast-paced business world, even the smallest miscalculation can jeopardize success. Our journey begins with a clear understanding of project cost management and its impact on long-term outcomes. Imagine a puzzle where every piece matters. Resource planning, cost estimation, budgeting, and financial oversight all interlock to secure your project's future. Let's begin with identifying resource requirements. A work breakdown structure, often referred to as a WBS, is your roadmap for project details. This hierarchical decomposition transforms complex projects into manageable tasks, allowing you to consult with stakeholders for precise resource planning. Imagine engaging with your team in lively strategy sessions, each conversation clarifying labor, materials, equipment, and other essential elements. This early investment in resource identification paves the way for accurate cost estimation later on. Next, we move to the critical stage of estimating project costs. Cost estimation quantifies the expenditures associated with every component of your project. Here you align your estimates within agreed tolerances, ensuring each figure is both realistic and comprehensive. Remember, the greater the gap between estimation and actual spend, the more challenging it becomes to steer your project towards success. Industry research shows that projects thrive when budgets are set meticulously, reducing surprises and apprehension further into the project lifecycle. Once you have a clear estimate, the process naturally shifts to developing a project budget. Budgeting involves aggregating the estimated costs into a cohesive financial plan that serves as a baseline. This cost baseline guides your cost control efforts and signals if deviations occur. Visualize a detailed pie chart where each slice represents a different work package, all harmonized under your budget planning. With every line item thoughtfully addressed, you transform individual cost estimates into a directed, strategic plan that invokes clarity and confidence among your project stakeholders. The final, yet equally important, step is to develop a comprehensive cost management plan for your project finances. In this phase, you outline how costs will be planned, structured, and controlled. This plan includes rigorous budgeting procedures, estimation techniques, risk analysis, and contingency measures. A robust cost management plan ensures that every dollar spent is monitored, allowing for quick corrections as needed. Picture a control tower that oversees a complex air traffic network. Your cost management plan is that vigilant overseer, keeping every expense under constant review. Throughout the process, remember that each step is interconnected. Identifying resource requirements leads to more accurate estimates, which in turn form the foundation of a reliable budget. Developing a cost management plan then ties everything together, ensuring you remain on target. These deliberate actions work synergistically to minimize risks and maximize project success. Visual aids like flow diagrams, detailed charts, and interactive dashboards enhance this explanation by offering an at-a-glance understanding of complicated concepts. The challenge of managing project finances is real and complex, yet it becomes manageable with a systematic approach. You may encounter unexpected hurdles, such as resource shortages or cost overruns. However, when you follow a disciplined methodology, you transform these challenges into learning opportunities. Adjusting estimates, reassigning resources, and updating the cost baseline as necessary can keep your project on track even when the unexpected strikes. Each pivot represents a moment of empowerment that reinforces your commitment to effective project management. As you integrate these practices into your project, you start to embody the principles of precision and discipline. The clarity that comes from a well-crafted project cost management plan alleviates uncertainty. This process not only supports your project's financial health, but also boosts the confidence of your entire team. With every well-justified decision, you steer your project closer to an assured outcome, highlighting the value of meticulous planning and agile execution. In summary, establishing a project cost management plan is a journey through organized resource identification, precise cost estimation, strategic budgeting, and continuous financial control. Each step reinforces the next, building a resilient framework that supports the project from inception to completion. Embrace each phase as a vital investment that pays dividends in project stability and success. Master the art of project cost management to ensure your project's success.